In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete OneDrive duplicate files and photos all at once. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Microsoft.com and then locate on the products the OneDrive. You can also install OneDrive using your iPhone, tablet, or mobile device, but I actually recommend doing this on your PC. So once you're in there, click onto this create a free account in order to sign up. However, if you already have an account, click onto the sign in option that we have right here. Now let me head over and sign in. Here is my files. As you can see, I have several things right there. So in order to find and delete duplicate files, what we can do is we just need to first head over to this. And then for this case, you can just click onto this gear icon or the settings. Click onto this right here and you can find this manage option. So for this, click onto this manage that will appear. Doing that will reload you into the next part. So here is our actual storage. So you can just find and remove duplicate files right here once you're into this part. So for example, you can see your current plan as well as your storage summary. So just review the scanned results from there and you can find the duplicates that you can delete. Another option that you can do is you can also proceed to install reputable duplicate file finder tool. Examples of this are Duplicate Cleaner and CC Cleaner. So head over to a new tab and then find CC Cleaner and then make sure to click on this and install it in order to actually remove duplicate files directly on your OneDrive. Just sign into your OneDrive account through this tool and you should be able to help it scan your files and remove duplicates. So that's all there is today and I hope this video actually helped you out.